HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids! Oh, look at this cute baby! Would you like to learn how to draw and paint it? You would? Brilliant! Start by drawing a circle for the face and 2 circles for the eyes. And the dummy. And then we're going to do a cute little bow on the head. Aww! Let's do it wrapped up in a lovely blanket. Some eyelashes. Now, some accessories. Every babe's got to have their accessories, you know. We got the milk bottle with a measuring line on it. And a dummy, a spare one. Got to have a spare dummy. A onesie. Oh, with a heart. Don't forget the poppers. And we've got a baby rattle. To match the onesie, of course. Some more hearts. Fantastic. Let's just darken up the borders. Our usual trick, so that when we paint it nice bright colours, they stand out super well. Almost done. Right, ready to paint. Let's go for a yellow for our milk bottle. Lovely. And some pink. Perfect. Let's go for purple for the handle of the dummy, then pink, and then some yellow to match the milk bottle. Lovely peachy colour for our baby. Oh, coochie coochie cooch, so cute. Carefully paint around the eyes and the dummy. The nose. Let's do the ears too. Okay, going for yellow for the middle of our bow and purple. Lovely. And some pink dummy. I think we've got a baby girl here. Ooh, purple in the middle. Some more purple. And a lovely pink wrap. Wow, she looks super cute, don't you think? Of course, you can choose any colours you like. Yellow for the onesie going around the heart. Now let's think about it. What colour should we do the heart? Any idea? Pink to match the neckline. Yellow rattle too. So you see we've got a theme going on here. Lots of yellow and pink and purple. You can use the same idea and match up all your accessories with the baby. Aww, and you can choose. You want to do a boy? You want to do a girl? The choice is yours. I had so much fun drawing and painting this baby and accessories. Hey kids! Ooh, look at this. It's a Rubik's Cube. Do you know what a Rubik's Cube is? It's a really cool cube. It has a square on each side and lots of little squares in each big square. And they're all different colours. And what you have to do is twist each row around to try and match up the same colour on each side. It's quite difficult, but really good fun. You should try it sometime. So we're drawing lots and lots of squares. Darkening up the border. And in between each small square. There we go. Ready to paint. Let's go for blue first. Ooh, lovely royal blue colour. And green. And gold. That's it. Red. All our colours are jumbled up at the moment, so you can just paint at random. Yellow. Couple of those. And a silver. Go back to red again. You can paint the squares any colour you like. Use the same colour 2, 3, 4 or even 5 times. It doesn't matter. However you want your Rubik's Cube to look, because it depends whether or not you've managed to get the same colour onto one side. This one has not been played with yet, so it's all mixed up. Green and another one. Let's go back to red again. There we go. One more. Now blue. Yeah, some more blue would look good. Couple of those. Silver again. Yellow. Yes, and lastly, let's do gold. Brilliant. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? A Rubik's Cube. Ooh, sparkly. Hey kids! Ooh, look at this. It's a Rubik's Cube. Do you know what a Rubik's Cube is? It's a really cool cube. It has a square on each side and lots of little squares in each big square. And they're all different colours. And what you have to do is twist each row around to try and match up the same colour on each side. It's quite difficult, but really good fun. You should try it sometime. So we're drawing lots and lots of squares. Darkening up the border. And in between each small square. There we go. Ready to paint? Let's go for blue first. Ooh, lovely royal blue colour. And green. And gold. That's it. Red. All our colours are jumbled up at the moment, so you can just paint at random. Yellow. Couple of those. And a silver. Go back to red again. You can paint the squares any colour you like. Use the same colour 2, 3, 4 or even 5 times. It doesn't matter. However you want your Rubik's Cube to look, because it depends whether or not you've managed to get the same colour onto one side. This one has not been played with yet, so it's all mixed up. Green and another one. Let's go back to red again. There we go. One more. Now blue. Yeah, some more blue would look good. Couple of those. Silver again. Yellow. Yes, and lastly, let's do gold. Brilliant. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? A Rubik's Cube. Ooh, sparkly.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, lollipop.
Let's draw. Circle for the first one with a stick and some pretty pattern. Ooh, a swirly one. Let's go for a heart lolly next. With some spots. Ooh, lovely. And a round one with a middle band. Yay! Darkening up our borders. We always love to do this to make the colours nice and bright. Ta-da! Ready to paint? Let's go for yellow first. How about we paint every 3 pieces yellow? Perfect. Let's go for pink next. Now for green. Oh wow, that is the coolest lollipop I've ever seen. Look at that. A gold stick. Now for our red heart. It looks almost like a watermelon heart, doesn't it? With the watermelon seeds. Maybe they're chocolate pieces. Ooh, I'd love a lollipop like that, wouldn't you? Da 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 da. Yes! Another gold stick. Woohoo! Last but not least, going for blue on the top and the bottom. Maybe it's bubblegum flavoured and pink in the middle. Perhaps a raspberry stripe. And a gold stick, just like the other two. Fantastic! That was so easy and it looks super awesome too. And I just want to eat them. Well done! Hey kids, today we're going to show you how to draw and paint some dental care products. That's right, you gotta brush those beauties. So let's start by drawing the outlines. First of all, we're going to do the toothbrush. It's a long stick and of course the brush and some toothpaste on it too. Some nice stripes. And now we're going to draw a mouth, the lips, some teeth. And there we go. Let's draw one big tooth all by itself with a dash of toothpaste on the top. Excellent. And a smiley face. All right, time for the toothpaste. Drawing the tube. Picture of a tooth on there. Okay, are you ready to paint? Starting with yellow, we're going to paint the toothbrush. Just going around those stripes because we're going to do those in a red colour. Lovely. Now we're going to go for green for the bristles. And a lovely blue. And some pink for the toothpaste. Let's do the lips. Red, I think. Lovely. Do you know what people used to do before toothpaste was invented? They used to use things like ground up chalk or charcoal, even ashes, to clean their teeth. We're going to go for some nice rainbow colours for the bit of toothpaste on top of our tooth man. You know, it was only about 100 years ago that someone finally created a minty cream to clean teeth. Not long after that, the toothpaste tube was invented. So let's paint it, starting with yellow and then some red, matching our toothbrush nicely. And some purple, some green in the middle. Wow, that really stands out against the purple, doesn't it? Lovely. Some pink around the tooth. Can you believe how lucky we are that we know so much about how to take care of our teeth now? Long ago, as people got older, their teeth would just rot away and it would be so painful. To get rid of a toothache, they had to pull their teeth out. Can you believe that? Finally, people learned that cleaning their teeth was important. So, let's brush. Well done, kids. You did a fantastic job and Mr. Tooth is very happy. And remember, keep brushing. Hey kids, how are you today? Ooh, do you like teddies? Me too. Let's draw. A little tuft of hair in the face. Let's not forget our teddy bear ears and eyes, nose and mouth. Now we're going to draw our teddy bear sitting down. So we're starting with the front legs and paws, and then we're going to do one on either side, showing the bottom of each paw. Great job. Brilliant. Right, let's darken the border. We love to do this because it makes the colours stand out once you paint it. Right, we are going for pink first of all to do the inner ears. Ah, so cute. And the pads on the paws, because it's a baby bear. Yellow net for the snout, carefully painting around the tongue and the nose. Brilliant. And the tummy. Now we're going for black. We're going to do a black nose and a red tongue. Can you stick out your tongue? Right, we're going to do brown for the rest of the bear because it is a baby brown bear. Yes, so using that horizontal stroke, we're going to go from side to side. Carefully around the other features. Great! Now we go for the body. Have you ever seen a real bear? Do you have a teddy bear in your room? Maybe a nice cuddly one? Perhaps it's not brown, perhaps it's some other colour. I have a rainbow teddy. I love it. It's got all the colours of the rainbow. Now what do you name your teddy? Can you think of any good names for this teddy bear? How about Rosie? And there you have it. It is done. Good job, kids. You've drawn a teddy bear.